Hi, in today's video we're going to be diving onto PowerPoint and I'm going to show you how you can quickly remove the background from any picture you pull into PowerPoint. Let's dive into it with another flipped classroom tutorial. Now in my previous video we looked at removing the background or even the object from any photograph using Paint 3D on Windows, but PowerPoint has its own version of remove background. So let's fire up PowerPoint. I'm going to start by typing PowerPoint in my start menu and then opening up PowerPoint. We're now going to open up a blank presentation, and in this blank presentation I would like to bring in an image, but I want to remove the background and I want to do it all within PowerPoint. So let's start by choosing this design idea. There we go. And we're going to pull our picture in. Now I have a picture here of some puppies. So let's just drag and drop that onto our PowerPoint presentation. Now they look really cute. One problem though, that background. I don't need that background. I'm going to ask PowerPoint to remove it. So at the top, do make sure that you have your image selected. So we need to click on the image first. We will have a number of additional features. And one of those features is remove background. So here on the left-hand side, you will see remove background. If you do not see this option, make sure you have your image selected. So we're going to click on that image and then remove background. This will now give you a suggested removal. So it looks at the image, it suggests different parts of the image to be removed. And if you want to tweak these, then you can tweak it now before they are removed. So here you can see you can mark additional areas to keep or areas to remove. Now I'm going to leave it as it is and I'm going to click on Keep Changes. So as soon as you click on that button, we now have our puppies. That background has been removed. We can move this image around our presentation and we can resize it to any size we would like it to be. So this is an incredibly easy way for you to remove the background and really focus on an object or a person and then bring that into your presentations. This way you can really upgrade your presentations, make amazing looking PowerPoint presentations with those images that you would like to use. Now, I hope you found this helpful. If you did, make sure you scroll down to the bottom of this video, find that red button and click it. If it's not red, great, you've already subscribed. Make sure that you hit that bell notification so you can be notified of new videos whenever they go live and whenever they're uploaded. Now, if you've already subscribed to the channel, you've hit that bell notification, go and check out the website. There is some additional content available on the website, some resources you can download, a newsletter you can sign up to. That link is in the description below. In the meantime, thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.